beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Miss Bean Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, do turn on the bell notification and also join me on all social media sites. Links will be below in the description box. Okay, so in today's video, I am doing my October bellabox unboxing. So like literally it came in the mail yesterday and today is Saturday, so I thought, okay, I will film this video today and then I'll upload on Sunday, so the video will be up tomorrow for you guys to watch. So yeah, I have got no idea what's in the box. I think I saw the unboxing video of bellabox on their YouTube channel. I will link their YouTube channel below in the description box too, and also all the details about where you can get this box. This box is only, I think, under $20 and this box is available in Australia and New Zealand only, I think. All the details will be below in the description box in case if you want to check them out. So yeah, I am super excited today just because I've got no idea what's inside this blue box. So it comes like this, and let's open and see what I got this month. Okay, as usual, the box looks like this. It's a simple blue box. It's a cute blue box. So it's like this. So let's see. So first thing is this card which says Saints and Sinners. I guess I'm saying it right, but I don't know. Like, it has all the products details and where you can buy it from. So the first product is this Australia's Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder. This is oil and fragrance free. So I love products which is oil and fragrance free because my skin type is combination, so like it's not easy for me to tolerate with acne. So yeah, I have got acne problems. Like literally I was battling with acne a few years back, and now my skin looks flawless just because I am staying away from oily products and I don't eat much of oily foods, and like this really helps me to fight with acne. So this powder I haven't tried yet, so I will be trying this powder. If you guys are following me, you should know that I also make makeup tutorial videos, so you guys will see me using this powder in my makeup tutorial video, and this is in the shade medium 10, and like literally I can't wait to try this. And this product retails for $15.95, available in Priceline and Australia's Cosmetics Online. So this product will fight shine, and it is cult classic and best-selling fresh and flawless pressed powder packed full of skin perfectors. And this makeup must-have is cruelty-free and vegan friendly, and like it's half worth my box. So it's $15.95, 12 gram, and this is a full-size product. Okay, the second product is this perfume. I have got no idea how to pronounce this name, but I just got a sample size of this perfume, and this is just 1 ml sample, and 100 ml of this retails for $217, available at Maya and David Jones. And like, let's try this. Okay, it comes like this. Oh my gosh, smells like wow, amazing. Smells so good, literally. Wow. Okay, the third product is this Sunsense Sensitive Invisible SPF 50 Plus Cream, and this is for sensitive skin, and it says here light, invisible and finish, and like it has 4-hour water resistant, which is good, and like it is made and tested in Australia. So I just got 10 gram of this product. 75 grams of product retails for $10.95 and is available in pharmacies here. The fourth product is this Barnea hand sanitizer. So it's just a hand sanitizer and it kills 99.9% of germs, and it is the Barnea body company instant hand sanitizer, no rinse, dermatologically tested, 50 ml, and this product retails for $2 only, 50 ml, available here in Woolworths supermarket. The last product is this Palmer's coconut oil range. So I got this coconut oil body lotion. I think I got this product before. I don't know why I got it again. And this product retails for $7.39 for 250 ml. And like this one is just 11 ml sample size, and like it says here, created for the love of coconut. Palmer's coconut oil body lotion is infused with pure coconut oil and Tahitian noi, making it deeply moisturizing, meanwhile firm tone and tighten skin. This is just a firming lotion, and I think I got this before. What? Yes, I opened, everything is sealed, but this is not sealed. I don't know, someone has used this before. Okay, let me, I don't know, never got a product unsealed like this, but I got this one, I don't know why. Okay, it just smells like coconut and it's okay. It's just a moisturizing lotion. And the bonus product is this water wipes, the world's purest facial wipes. Like this is just a bonus product. It has, I don't know, I think 2 wipes. Yeah, it has 2 wipes here, and it says no alcohol, no sting, no fragrance. We believe in the power of water. Our water enriched wipes effectively remove makeup and mascara, leaving your skin clean, hydrated, and glowing. So wipes are really handy. This is just a bonus product, and this says here, Glam Corner, feel amazing everywhere. Rent design clothing, love it, retain it. So it's just a $50 off first month of GC Premium. Use code. Okay, so this is just a card. Voucher card, I think $50 off, or I don't know, I will go and check what's all this about. I'll go on their website and check. So yeah, this is it, like literally. I think this is a short video, I don't know, but like this is it for today. I hope you liked this video, and like if you have used any of these products, and let me know in the comment section below. I love to read your comments, and also like if you wish to see more of my videos, then do subscribe and also join me on all social media sites. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.